What is up guys, Tech James here. For this video I will be installing a professional looking skin for my PS Vita. So I did actually make a video on this quite a while ago, and as you can see this is what's left of my old PlayStation Vita skin. It was a white carbon fiber one, and basically I got kind of annoyed of it and just pulled it off. But Extreme Skins have actually sent me another skin package. Previously I did actually do a PlayStation 3 one, but for this video we're obviously going to look at the PS Vita. So yeah, thanks to Extreme Skins. Make sure to check out their social media and website. I will leave a link to it in the description. But first of all, let's go ahead and let's open the skin. Now it looks like we've actually just got two kind of pieces of paper on this one. We have got the front of the PS Vita, and then obviously we have got the back of the PS Vita. Now these skins are quite nice quality. This one seems to be some kind of shiny gradient looking one, and they also sent us a first aid wipe. So what I'm going to do first is just open up the wipe. It's basically just like an antibacterial wipe. Obviously it's like an alcohol one, and this will just remove all fingerprints and just get all of the dirt off your PS Vita. Now the main areas you need to focus on are obviously where the skin is going to be, because you don't want to stick your skin on top of some dirt. So make sure to just wipe over all of these areas. Shouldn't really take too long to dry. Of course, power off your PS Vita. This is also recommended just in case you power it on by accident or press any buttons. So now we're going to start installing the skin, and I'm actually going to go for the front first. And basically how I managed to do this was I just simply peeled it off. Obviously this was a lot easier than the PS3 skin that I did a few weeks ago. So yeah, I just peeled it off and then just literally stuck it on top like that. I found that probably the easiest method. It didn't really take too long. You have got to line it up. That was the problem with my last video. I didn't exactly line it up right, and that is why the skin kind of just ended up looking bad. But this one I actually did really nice. I'm really happy with that. There's a little scuff at the right hand edge, but apart from that the skin is pretty much perfect. Also, don't forget about the speaker holes. You will need to remove the pieces of skin from that. So now we're going to focus on the back. Now this skin is quite easy to install. All you need to do is pull off the separate parts. Now there's quite a few different pieces for the back. This section I actually just had to remove. I just used a fork because I had that lying around. But yeah, make sure you just crop this little piece out if you are putting a skin on yours. And I'm basically just going to put in that piece here. Now I don't think I'll be doing the back bit for this video because my white carbon fiber one I think still is alright, and it still looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to leave that as it is. But obviously if you've got a PS Vita that doesn't have a skin on it, you can go ahead and put all pieces on there. It's entirely up to you. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of these pieces on here. We've got these shoulder pieces as well, which just stick on. These are mainly for protection reasons. You know, if you drop your PS Vita or something like that, these should actually protect it from scuffs. Maybe the skin will get ruined, but obviously your PS Vita underneath is going to be in pretty good condition. So we're just going to put the left hand piece on as well, and then we have basically got the top pieces and the sides pieces. And these pieces right here just kind of overlap each side of the camera. Obviously don't stick them too close to the camera itself. It's kind of easy. I'd say the back section is a lot easier than the front section. The stickers are just a lot smaller and they're just a lot easier to line up. I managed to get this pretty much perfect first try. Of course, we have now got these shoulder pieces as well, pretty much the same as the bottom ones. And again, these are mainly just for, you know, they do look cool, but they also do protect your PS Vita if you accidentally drop it or scratch it. And then of course we've got the side pieces as well, and then I'm pretty sure that is it for the back of the PS Vita. One of the side pieces does have a piece kind of cut out on it, like a cutout shape. I don't really know what that's for, but you can stick them on fine. And then of course we've got the other side, and there is also a small piece underneath. If you guys can see where the memory card is, there's also a black sticker which you can put over that, or of course whatever skin you decide to get. There's loads of different colors, so yeah, you can actually stick one over that and it will actually overlap quite nicely. I don't know if this will fall off eventually, but it just looks kind of neat once it's stuck on there. And there you go guys, that is my PS Vita with the Extreme Skins installed. I'm really happy with how this turned out. As you can see, the screen has a few fingerprints on, so I probably will clean that up a bit later, but my PS Vita is looking very nice. The only downside is it does actually cover the PS Vita logo, which I do quite like to see, but maybe you can print one off the computer and stick it on. That might be quite an interesting idea. And there you go guys, so make sure to check out Extreme Skins. They don't just have skins for PS Vitas, they've got them for PlayStations, Xboxes, and probably your phone as well. As you can see, there's quite a few leftover pieces, and you could probably use this on anything, you know, you could even stick them on a PS3 controller if you wanted to. So that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.